What's going on, YouTube? It's on my Pursuit Vehicle speaking. I believe I just got through getting this rattling noise fixed on my Charger. Just drove it around, didn't hear no rattling noise, nothing like that. After hearing from the mechanic, I took it up there and stuff. Oh yeah, you're gonna need some front struts. That's why your vehicle is making that rattling noise down there. Okay, cool. So look what I end up getting. See that over there? The Monroe quick strut assembly, rated for the Pursuit vehicles, specifically for the Dodge Charger. So I had to go ahead and get that and got that all taken care of. So as I got them on test drive, the noise was still there, wasn't even good. So that's okay. What the hell really going on? So I jacked it up, checked it out, looked around, and it was right up under here. So as it going down the road, this piece right here was loose and it's flapping up and down real bad like this when the wind and everything else is hitting it. So what I did was, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but this right here was making it too. I readjusted that, got that all taken care of, and then this up in here, this little piece up in here, let me get up under there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Yeah, that right there was real loose, real bad. I put some weather stripping to kind of help that out. So it's weather stripping right here and weather stripping right here. It was like kind of making like a little up and curvy type feeling. Kind of hard to explain it, but when the wind hitting it, it's flapping up and down. I even had one down there back there that was real loose too. That was down back, and it was 3 screws up under there. I had to tighten them up because they was real loose, and I tightened them up by hand and went on and finished it out with a good old Allen wrench and got it all situated. Well, a torque wrench. Used a little torque wrench, just torque it down some. But as I'm about my car, I did check the exhaust clips. The exhaust clips was good. Checked the exhaust, see if it had any rattle or anything on there. All that was good. I checked all my stuff. But it came on this side, and this was down too. So I had to go ahead and see if y'all can see it. Let's see. Trying to put it on there for y'all. There we go. Yeah, I had to do a little rigging. Got like some metal screws. Shot it up in there, and then I have some leftover pins. I just stuck them in there, but it didn't have nothing over here. Like, this was hanging all the way down. So I'm not sure if this was making a noise, the other side over there I showed y'all was making a noise, or somewhere. But all of it's all taken care of. Got it all situated. I don't think I could tell y'all to do. Just remember to check all your fenders, your splash guards, your exhaust clips. Check your exhaust for any leaks. If you have any clunking noise, get all that front end work. Cause I had that real bad as well on my car. But yeah. Oh, and the weather stripping, I forgot to tell you too. I had to come back over here. So I put some back there. I got some all right around up in there. See if y'all can see it. I got the weather stripping all back there. I just weather stripped some stuff, man. I got it from Lowe's. It was a real thick piece. Real cheap. I think it was about I want to say about $5, $10 from Lowe's. But it was real cheap and it helped out, man. That weather stripping come in handy. Cause that was flapping on me as well. I think these things is called the fenders or fender guards or splash guards or something like that it's called. I don't know. But anyway, I just want to go ahead and touch base with y'all on that and let y'all know, hey, it is fixed. Got it out the way. I drove it over some bumpy terrain. It didn't make the noise, the little rattling noise. Picked it up to about 100 miles per hour. It didn't make the rattling noise. Everything was all good. So I just wanted to just go ahead and help everyone out. But be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do have some more videos coming. Also, like this video, comment on this video as well if y'all can. And I do have an Instagram as well. I went on and made one. You know, my daughter, she talked me to go ahead and get one. So I went on and made an Instagram. If y'all want to, you know, contact me or reach me personally or know anything, you know, just hit me up on my Instagram as well. It's gonna be called Solo Key 1987. But I will put it in the description box as well. And I put the information that I got from Lowe's as well with the weather stripping into the description box as well. But yeah, you guys take it easy, man. God bless you.